It's a pleasure to have you here. Welcome to the Tascam US-16x08, a rack-mount USB audio/MIDI interface designed to make every recording session smooth, professional, and versatile with uncompromised sound quality. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this audio interface at the best price in the market. The Tascam US-16x08 is one of the most reliable tools for both home studios and professional setups, providing 16 channels of clear mic and line inputs that capture every detail of your performance. 8 of these channels feature Ultra-HDDA microphone preamps, delivering clean, quiet, and high-gain operation up to 56 dB, perfect for vocals, drums, or any instrument that demands clarity. Additionally, the interface offers 8 extra line inputs, 2 of which are switchable to instrument level, so you can record guitar or bass directly without extra gear. On the output side, 8 balanced line outputs let you connect multiple monitors or external processors, and the front panel provides level controls on 2 outputs for convenient monitoring adjustments. A standout feature is the built-in DSP mixer, which allows for low-latency digital mixing so you can hear your performance in real time without annoying delay. Each channel also includes 4-band EQ and compression, which means your monitor mixes sound polished, professional, and ready for tracking or live streaming. While the unit is robust and full of features, it is a sizable rack-mount interface, so make sure your setup accommodates its dimensions. Overall, the Tascam US-16x08 balances flexibility, quality, and professional control in one package, making it an essential tool for recording drums, instruments, or full band sessions. Don't miss out on upgrading your studio workflow. With this interface, you get an unmatched combination of high-quality preamps, versatile routing, and integrated DSP processing. Check the link in the description below to grab your Tascam US-16x08 today and experience the difference in clarity, control, and creativity for your recordings.